Most people who try to sell digital products online fail within the first 30 days. Not because their product is bad, because they built the wrong product for the wrong system. They created something complex, time-heavy, maintenance-dependent, the kind of digital product that feels like a second job instead of passive income. And the ones who succeed, they're selling something most people overlook entirely: simple digital products, the kind you build once, sell repeatedly, and never touch again. This isn't about courses or memberships or anything that requires ongoing customer support. This is about static income from static assets. Here's what makes a digital product actually simple. It solves one clear problem. It delivers one clear outcome. And it requires zero interaction after the sale. No updates, no revisions, no community management. You upload it. You connect it to a payment system, and it runs. The market for simple digital products is larger than most home-based income builders realize, because complexity creates friction, and friction reduces conversions. When someone lands on a sales page at midnight, decides in 4 seconds whether to buy, they don't want a 12-module system. They want the one thing that solves their immediate problem. This is the living room asset model. You build inventory that sells while you're asleep, while you're managing the home, while you're doing anything except actively working. The income doesn't scale with your effort. It scales with distribution. Most people build digital products backward. They think about what they know, what they've experienced, what feels meaningful to them. And then they try to sell it. But the market doesn't buy meaning. It buys solutions to specific frictions. Start with the friction, not the format. Go into spaces where people are already spending money to solve small problems. Reddit threads, niche Facebook groups, YouTube comment sections. Look for the same question asked 15 different ways. That repetition is market demand. Once you see the pattern, you reverse engineer the simplest possible solution. Not the most comprehensive, the simplest. Because simple sells faster, refunds less, and requires no ongoing labor. Let's talk format. The 3 formats that perform best for stay-at-home income builders are templates, checklists, and swipe files. These aren't creative projects, they're structured shortcuts. Someone wants to do something faster. You sell them the framework that removes decision fatigue. Templates work because they eliminate starting from scratch, a budget tracker, a meal planning sheet, a content calendar, a contract template, a pitch email framework. These are not complicated, but they save hours. And people will pay $10 to $30 to avoid reinventing the wheel. Checklists work because they reduce cognitive load. A moving checklist, a launch day checklist, a client onboarding checklist. You're not selling information. You're selling order, structure, the feeling that nothing will be forgotten. Swipe files work because they provide proven language, email subject lines that convert, social media captions that engage, sales page copy that closes. You collect what already works, package it, and sell access. No creativity required on the beer's end. Just implementation. Here's the income shift most people miss. You don't need a large audience to make this work. You need the right traffic source. One well-ranked Pinterest pin and drive passive sales for 18 months. One optimized Etsy listing can generate income with zero additional promotion. One solved problem in a Facebook group can turn into 50 sales before anyone notices. The platform matters more than the follower count. Etsy, Gumroad, PayHip, Creative Market. Teachers pay teachers. These are beer intent platforms. People arrive already looking to purchase. You're not interrupting. You're appearing at the exact moment of need. Most failed digital product sellers chose the wrong platform. They tried to sell on Instagram, where attention is free and purchasing is friction. Or they built a website, where traffic costs money and trust takes months. But beer intent platforms remove both problems. The trust is built into the marketplace. The traffic is organic and purchase ready. Let's address the most common objection. someone will say. But won't people just recreate this themselves? And yes, they could, but they won't. Because the value isn't in the information. It's in the done-for-you structure. It's faster to buy than to build. And time is the scarcest resource in a home-based economy. This is where most home-based earners get stuck. They assume digital products need to be high value. $60 guides, $99 workbooks. But volume at low price points often outperforms premium pricing with simple products. $15, $20, $30. Low enough for impulse buys, high enough to feel valuable. Your pricing should match the complexity of the decision. If someone can evaluate your product in under 2 minutes, price it under $25. If it requires research, comparison, or trust building, you're selling the wrong kind of product for this system. Now, the production process. Most people spend 3 months building their first digital product, perfecting design, writing long explanations, adding bonus sections, and then they launch to crickets. Because they optimized for completeness instead of speed to market. Here's the alternative. Build your first product in 1 weekend. Choose one problem, create one solution, test it at the lowest functional price point. If it sells 5 times in the first 2 weeks, build another. If it doesn't, adjust the positioning or move to a different problem. This is inventory-based income, not product launch income. You're not betting everything on one release. You're building a catalog. 10 products that each earn $50 a month will outperform one product that earns $500. Because diversification protects against platform changes, algorithm shifts, and seasonal demand drops. The tools you need are simpler than you think. Canva for templates, Google Sheets for planners, Notion for organizational systems, a free Gumroad account for payment processing, and a search-optimized title. That's the entire production stack. If you want to compress the timeline even further, there's a tool worth considering. It's designed specifically for home-based digital product builders who need speed without sacrificing quality. It automates layout, suggests structure based on buyer behavior data, and integrates with the platforms that actually convert. You can find it linked in the description. But the system works with or without it. The tool just removes friction. Here's what separates earners from tire kickers in this model. Consistency in publishing, not consistency in promotion. You don't need to post daily on social media. You need to add one new product to your catalog every 2 weeks. Because each product is a new entry point, a new search result, a new potential income stream. And each product you publish teaches you something about what converts, which problems people pay to solve, which formats perform best, which price points remove hesitation. This is market education. And it only happens through repetition. Most home-based mothers stop at 3 products. They build, they launch, they wait for traction. And when it doesn't come fast enough, they assume the model doesn't work. But the model doesn't activate until you hit 12 to 15 products. That's when search traffic compounds, when catalog depth creates credibility, when passive income becomes predictable. The income curve looks like this. Months 1 through 3, minimal returns. You're building inventory, learning platforms, testing messaging. Months 4 through 6, small consistent sales. $52 to $200 a month. Enough to notice, not enough to rely on. Months 7 through 12, momentum, $300 to $800 a month. And it stabilizes there unless you keep publishing. This isn't fast money. It's structured money, repeatable money. The kind of income that doesn't disappear when you take a week off. When your toddler gets sick, when family needs your attention. The system keeps running because it was built to run without you. One final pattern worth noticing. The people who earn the most from simple digital products aren't the ones with the best design skills or the biggest audiences. They're the ones who treat this like inventory management. They track what sells, they replicate what works, they remove what doesn't, and they publish consistently without attachment to any single product. This is the difference between a creative project and an income system. Creative projects need perfection. Income systems need repetition. You're not building a masterpiece, you're building a living room storefront that generates small predictable deposits while you do anything else. If you're home-based, if you have 3 to 5 hours a week, if you want income that doesn't require your real-time presence, simple digital products are the cleanest path. No clients, no deadlines, no ongoing obligations, just static assets, passive search traffic, and small recurring deposits. The system is there, the tools are accessible. The market is waiting. You just have to stop waiting for the perfect product and start building the simple one. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial, legal, or professional advice. Any business or income generation activity involves risk, and results will vary based on individual effort, market conditions, and other factors. The use of any tools, platforms, or strategies mentioned is at your own discretion and responsibility. Product recommendations may include affiliate links, and purchases made through these links may result in compensation to the channel at no additional cost to you. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making financial or business decisions.